I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you the power of one account in this business. And in case you are new to my channel, on this channel, I create content on how you can grow your business. So if you are new, why not subscribe to my channel so that you continue to receive more. Okay, now this business you start with 79,990 and with a referral bonus you'll be paid just 20,000 naira. That is a small money, but that is not the most important one. The most important one is the matching bonus, and that is what I want to show you now. Now if you start this business, you are placed like this and you are divided into two, the left and the right. And let's assume you use this system to connect two persons, and the system is going to match them and pay you 7,000 naira. And the two persons you have brought will be connected to the Buena system. The Buena system will start helping you to connect other ones, and those people you have connected will as well connect their own people, and the system match them. Like you can see, the system match D and E and match F and C and pay you 7,000 naira. Each machine is paying you 7,000 naira. Okay, and C connect G and H and the system matches him 7,000 naira, and D connect I and J and the system matches him 7,000 naira. The system see H and I and matches them 7,000 naira, and the system see G and J and matches them 7,000 naira, and the systems E connect K and L and the system matches them 7,000 naira, and F connects N and M and the system matches them 7,000 naira. Okay, the matching goes like that. Now the most important one now is you at the top here. You can see at this point the system matches you once. At this point the system matches you 2 times, but at this level the system is going to match you 4 times. You can see 4 times. Now as long as human beings are joining your system, as long as human beings are connecting to your system, the system continue to match you like that every day. As human beings are piling up, that is how the system will be matching on a daily basis. Now let's assume this system is fully maximized and this one account is functional at the optimal level. It means that every day you are hitting 280,000 naira every day, and that means for one day you hit 280,000 naira, and if everything is working perfectly, in 30 days you are hitting 280 times 30, which is 8.4, and for 1 year you will hit 8.4 times 12, which is 100.8. Can you see the power of just one account? Now you started this with just 79,990. That is the power of this one account, just one account. Okay, and I hope this video helps you. If it helps you, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can receive the next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.